Black and gold is luxury classics. Let's make it more interesting using gold of different texture. I am always using perfect top for designs with accessories. Why matte? Because it looks trendy stone surface now. Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to make a design with white, black and gold. I'm applying white Vitra glass gel on whole nail, like this. And adding a spot of black gel paint number 9 to the cuticle area with smooth blending toward the tip of the nail. Black and gold is luxury classics. Let's make it more interesting using gold of different texture. First, I'm adding a gold gel paint M1 on the same uncured layer. Now, for different golden texture, I'm putting a confetti glitter on top. Now cure it for 30 seconds. I'm adding more white Vitra gel to make the black look more smoky. And using black gel paint, I am adding some more lines to receive more deeper look. Curing again. Time for top coat. I am always using perfect top for designs with accessories. It has a thixotropic formulation and can be applied thicker to overlay accessories. And look how beautiful is combination of two types of gold. That's not all yet. On some other nail, I did smooth blending with royal gel paint and gold M1. Now I'm going to make royal matte with deep matte top gel. Why matte? Because it looks trendy stone surface now. I would like to play with matte and glossy. First, I am adding couple of black lines with black gel paint. After fixating, I'm applying perfect top gel between these lines to bring glossy royal back. Final cure and it's done. The combination of matte and glossy, black and gold look gorgeous. Please subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.